Your 30s are meant to be an important decade in your life, but only if you take care of yourself. Hi, my name is Dr. Manan Vora. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist, and I'm here to take you through today's session on why protein intake is important for women, especially post their 30s. When entering your 30s, most people experience a lot of changes, some of which are common for men and women both. But women in particular go through a lot. Their body faces a lot of changes. So let's go through these changes and see how we can try and tackle them as well. One of the main changes that happens for women in their 30s is that their metabolism slows down, thus leading to weight management problems. Our body can't handle the same level of diet, work and stress in our 30s the way it could in our 20s. This can also be due to the sedentary lifestyle that most of us fall into due to our work, चाहे वो ऑफिस में हो या वर्क फ्रॉम होम. तो हमारा वेट हमारी वेस्ट लाइन पे आके सेटल होने लग जाता है as we grow older. The other change that comes in women's body is a visible change, and that is in their hair, skin and nails. For ladies especially, उनके बालों में, स्किन और नेल्स में, इन सब में एक नोटिसेबल डिफरेंस आ जाता है, जैसे कि ब्रिटल नेल्स होना, हेयर लॉस या हेयर थिनिंग, स्किन पे रेडनेस या ड्राइनेस आना और बहुत कुछ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स तीसरी प्रॉब्लम जो हो सकती है वो है इरेगुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल्स. लो प्रोटीन, हाई शुगर और हाई कार्ब डाइट्स की वजह से इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, लेथार्जी, इन्फ्लेमेशन और वेट गेन हो सकता है. इन सब चीजों की वजह से रेगुलर मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल बिगड़ सकता है. इसके साथ साथ और भी दिक्कतें हो सकती है, जैसे कि बीइंग मोर प्रोन टू बोन फ्रैक्चर्स और हैविंग वीक इम्यूनिटी. अब जब इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती है 30s में, तो इन सब का सोल्यूशन क्या है? सिंपल, बाय कंज्यूमिंग प्रोटीन एज पर योर बॉडीज रिक्वायरमेंट. Protein is known to be one of the most important parts of our diets, and I cannot stress this part enough. हम इतने सारे आर्टिकल्स पढ़ते हैं, वीडियोस देखते हैं प्रोटीन पे, because it has been proven to be an essential part of our body system. और आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताऊं? According to research conducted, more than 80% of Indian women are deficient in protein. तो अब बताइए, अगर हमारा जनरल प्रोटीन इंटेक ही इतना कम होगा, तो जो हमने अभी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस की, तो वो सब तो आएंगी. This is why protein is essential for everyone, but especially for women in their 30s. In a time when they are going through so many changes with their lives, their careers and whatnot, we can minimize the stress and damage that their body goes through simply by giving it what it needs, protein. अब रही बात प्रोटीन कंजम्पशन की, तो ऐसा माना गया है कि लोगों को कम से कम 1 to 1.5 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन पर केजी ऑफ देयर बॉडी वेट नेसेसरी होता है. एंड द बेस्ट वे टू इंक्रीज योर प्रोटीन इनटेक इज विद प्रोटीन पाउडर. I would personally recommend HK Vital's Protein Up Women from the trusted house of Health Card. इसके की इंग्रेडिएंट से ही मैं कन्विंस हो गया था. This has a triple blend protein, whey, soy and collagen which helps build strength and stamina. Garcinia cambogia and green tea extract to help with weight management, and biotin and collagen with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and E to help maintain strong hair and healthy skin. What's more, we now also have HK Vital's Protein Up Women in a vegetarian variant as well. So whether your diet preference is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, you can complete your protein requirement easily. One scoop a day can keep you full and ready to take on the day. I would highly recommend trying out this protein supplement because I'm sure that you'll feel a very noticeable difference in your energy levels within the first week. Now I hope you know why protein is so important, especially for all the women in their 30s. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such insightful videos.